Yo, what's up, my guys? Wait, let me let you guys. You know what I'm saying, see my tools. I came here the other day. This filter right there wasn't good. Blow it up for you guys. It needs to be replaced. I tried to bypass it. They had an old regulator there. It wasn't good, so I ripped that one and put this one. But the problem with this bypass, with the regulator, it has no filter. And if I go down here, this filter doesn't work. So I'm gonna have to find a way to put a filter next to this. And this filter, you can see it's a regulator and filter in one. So I'm gonna have to install one there. And I'll see you guys when I'm done. You diggy? Fix your face. Yo, what's up? I'm back. I know I'm the most popular thermostat repairer, you dig? But anyway, the job is finished. This is what it looked like. See, I added a filter next to the regulator up there. And now that's the bypass. And so if they want to use that one, they can use it whenever they want. And then this one here, I replaced the filter and it's a regulator in one. You dig it?